I am going to be replacing the battery on this Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 6 Bluetooth speaker. It doesn't turn on at all. So I ordered one off of eBay for like 22 bucks. We gotta start off by removing this piece here. It's got adhesive on it, so it's kind of hard. Hold on. Now that I have it off, there are 6 screws that you gotta undo here. That's off. What you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to pry this with the tool that's provided, but here, as you can see, it broke. It's really, it's really weak. And also they gave me this little bitty screwdriver, which, it's pointless. So I'm using a butter knife to pry it open. Now that it's pried open, you just remove this cover, and there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 screws, also Phillips as well. And you're gonna have to pry these off as well, because there's Phillips screws underneath these. I'm just using a small flathead to remove these. These are actually kind of hard to remove. You can also use like a tweezer. You just gotta pry the living crap out of it. Let's see. Yeah, see, this one, it's in there pretty good. There we go. There's 6 of these right here. And now the Phillips screws are in there. So once you got all the screws removed, you can remove this back. Well, I wouldn't recommend removing it all the way, because you can access the let me turn this flash on. Anyways, can't turn it on now. Let me see if I can get some more light up in here. Anyways, all right, the battery is right here. And anyways, I don't think this was pushed in all the way. Let me see. Oh wow, so the battery does work. What the? See, I got this thing for free. So I ended up buying a replacement, which cost me about 22 bucks on eBay. But it's turning on and it's working now. But anyways, this is how you replace the battery on this Onyx Studio 6. It's a little battery, just comes out of here. Push it all the way in, and well, you know what? It works. What the heck? That is strange. So, anyways, you just put it back together exactly how you removed it, and see, it's on. It's working. That's it. Looks like I have an extra battery now, just in case. As you can see, it works now. This is the replacement battery that I was going to put in it, but I no longer need it, so I'll have an extra one. So we got the screws put back in, and make sure you put these caps in the right spots. If not, if you put them back together, you're going to hear like the bass isn't going to be all there. It sounds like air is escaping the inside of here. So what I did is I took this Ziploc bag and cut little pieces, and I ended up putting them around the screws. So that way it's, airtight. There's a little ghetto rigging, it works, And yeah, that's about it. And all I gotta do is put this cover back on and screw the bottom back in. As you can see, it works. Put it back together. And I'll post a link to this battery on my description. I'm just going to keep this just in case the original one actually goes bad, but which I doubt. I guess whoever had this speaker before me took it apart and didn't wiggle the connection in all the way.